Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make vertical and horizontal lines in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, select the pen tool or use shift tool, line tool. I always use this pen tool for this best way. This use pen tool. Then do not use fill and use stroke color. Press enter. Solid line. Then horizontal or stable, click anywhere, hold shift, horizontal line. Again create a new layer, click anywhere, hold shift, vertical line. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Change the size to this line. Okay.